Tired of battling creepers and griefers alone? Let's supercharge a player into a Minecraft admin in under 2 minutes. First, log into your Minecraft server hosting provider's website. This tutorial applies to most providers like Apex Hosting, Shockbyte, and Basic Hosting, but the exact layout might vary slightly. Find the section related to player management. It's usually labeled Players, User Management, or something similar. Now, there are generally 2 ways to grant admin privileges. One is directly through the server console. Locate the console. It's typically found in your server's dashboard. In the console, type op followed by the exact username of the player you want to make admin. Remember, capitalization matters. Then hit enter. The second method is through the server control panel itself. Look for a way to edit player permissions directly. Some providers offer a drop-down menu or a checkbox that allows you to assign a player the operator or admin role. Select the player, choose the admin role, and save your changes. Once the player logs back into the server, they'll have access to admin commands like changing game modes, kicking or banning players, and generally managing the server. Remind them to use their powers responsibly. And that's it. You've successfully made someone an admin on your Minecraft server. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Minecraft server tips and tricks. Happy crafting!